Well, this tax day is the first time that millions of Americans are seeing on paper the impact of President Trump's tax cut. And White House economic advisor Larry Kudlow says the tax cuts have helped the economy.
We've got a very prosperous America with low unemployment. Blue-collar workers are doing actually higher wages than we've had in years, and the blue-collar workers are doing better than the white-collar workers, although everybody's sharing in the prosperity.
So who's paying what this tax season? Robert Frank breaks down the numbers.
It's the first tax day under the new tax code. And while most Americans got a tax cut, there is a big gap between the winners and the losers. The average American got a tax cut of about $1,200 for 2018. Generally, the more you earn, the bigger your tax cut. The middle earners will see a 1.4% gain in after-tax income, or about $800, while those in the top 5% will see a 3% gain, averaging around $14,000. Now, the top 20% of earners got 60% of the benefits. But the biggest losers will also be the high earners, if they live in high-tax states. At least 8% of taxpayers in New York, New Jersey, Connecticut, and California will see tax increases because of the new limits on state and local tax deductions. And the more your income, the more you paid in added taxes. More than half of all the tax increases in the new law will fall on the top 1%. Those who earn their money from salaries rather than companies or investments also got hit the hardest. So the biggest winners are wealthy business owners and investors in low tax states like Florida, Texas, or Washington State, especially if they invested in the stock market and benefited from those corporate tax cuts that boosted stocks. The biggest losers are top earners who make their money from salaries in high-tax states like New York or California. Now, the new tax law was supposed to make filing your taxes simpler, but as of April, more than half of all filers used a tax professional, about the same as last year. For Nightly Business Report, I'm Robert Frank.